Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new method to get rich on the game SimCity BuildIt. So this works on iOS and Android. So let me just open up the game, guys, and show you what's going on. So as you can see, guys, I'm pretty broke, but when I press this button right here, let me just show you guys. We have this mod menu, and we can actually add unlimited SimCash to our account. So I'm going to turn this up all the way, and as you can see, it says SimCash has been activated. So anyway, it should start to rise, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this SimCity BuildIt modded version for your device. So let's see if it goes up, and then oh my gosh, it actually works, guys. Look at that. So I'm going to show you how to get rich on this game. It's super cool. So this works in 2026, guys. So let's get straight into the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So go over to the website matrixmods.com. And as you can see, guys, we got SimCity BuildIt right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press on it. And as you can see, this is like the latest version and everything. So go ahead and press download. And before it downloads, there is going to be a verification process that we have to do. So this is 100% for free. Basically, you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required for SimCity BuildIt. So basically, I need to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then the mod will be downloaded. So for instance, we have Travel Town, which says level and complete 9. So that's it. So I just press go, takes me to the App Store, and I just have to play it until I reach level 9. So that's pretty simple, guys. You know, nothing too insane. So I just got to like play through this right here, as you can see. So yeah, peace out, guys. Just make sure you do 2 of these apps and you're going to be all set. So yeah, you can see I'm just like running this right here. So it's pretty easy. Obviously, this one might not show up for you, but you just want to make sure you do 2 of them. So anyway, guys, let's go back onto the list, and you can see we got Mode Casino, which says follow instructions on the next page. And that is the World Winner app. Says I need to search up, install the app, and open it. So most of these are very easy, guys, but you know what? It is time to take to the App Store and type in SimCity BuildIt, and I'm going to show you guys how bad this is. So you do not need the game installed, by the way. This is a separate modded version, but as you can see, guys, look how expensive everything is. So if you guys do want to spend money on it, that's up to you, but chances are if you clicked on this video, you're not really the money spending type, right? So make sure you download 2 of the apps and you're good to go. Make sure you go to settings and you got background app refresh on, and low power mode should be off. But other than that, guys, you should be all set. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it, because I've been looking for a way to hack SimCity BuildIt for years, bro. And now I finally have the SimCity BuildIt modded version. As you can see, unlimited, super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you like this SimCity BuildIt hack. But yeah, it's super awesome. So hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, get the word out, guys, if you want to get rich on the SimCity BuildIt. And if you don't want to get rich, well, you're gonna have to pay these prices here, as you can see. So that's pretty stupid in my opinion. But you know what? If that's what you want to do, then that's what you want to do. But yeah, make sure you download 2 of the apps and you should be good to go. You can see it says this funds the Matrix project so they can remain free. So super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super awesome, totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to try it for yourself, and peace out.